Let me show you how to hide WhatsApp channel suggestions. There are a couple different ways to hide or remove any of those channel suggestions or channels that you've followed in the past. Now, within the WhatsApp app, in the update section, you'll be able to see a bunch of suggestions. It says find channels to follow, and it might show your existing channels that you're following. Now, you can always choose to hide those, and you have a couple different ways to do that. One way is that you can always choose the channels that you are currently following, and you have two different options. One is you can choose to mute them, or you can choose to just go through and select one or all of them and unfollow them so that they don't show up on this list. However, you'll still be able to see it says find channels to follow and a bunch of suggestions as you scroll down. Two ways to hide those is one is you can just basically add a bunch of channels so it pushes this whole screen down. But if you don't like a specific one, you can also just press and hold on it and then choose to hide it. So essentially, you don't need to see any of those that you don't like, but it will just continue to populate other channels that it suggests that you might want to follow.